Hello! So after coming down from Seattle and road tripping around California, we decided to make one last stop at Venice Beach. And it was really pretty, the weather was great, and we had a great time. I believe we just sat on the beach for the most part and put our feet in the water, and there was a lot of people here that day as well. This was my family's first road trip, and I can tell you that we got tired of it pretty quickly, so we decided to make our way to Vegas. Our thought process was that since we were already pretty close by, it wouldn't hurt to go down to Vegas. So we drove there, we checked into the hotel, and so the plan was to spend some time there, and instead of driving back to Seattle, to take a flight back, because this was our first road trip and we got really tired of it. I don't think my family could have lasted from another trip from Vegas all the way up to Seattle. So we got our rooms, and we are a pretty big family, so what we usually do is get kind of a suite, and that has a kitchen, and we're connected, so there's enough space for my entire family. So here we are. Here's one of the bathrooms, our little kitchen area, living area, a table as well. And then to the right is where my parents are staying. They have their own little tub in there as well, another bathroom. And then here is the other room where some of my siblings are staying.
Come on. Okay, we got a pool there. We got another pool there. We got a basketball. We got a tennis court. What else we got? What else we got?
This was around the time my brother found a passion and strong interest in swimming. I remember we got him his little, I think, life jacket and noodles, and he went in the water and he was really excited. He was going around swimming on his own, which is really good to see. We could not get him out of the water for the life of us. He wanted to spend all night and all morning in there, but he had a great time. That's all that matters.
Let go of me.
Let me down.
Put you down? If I put you down, you're gonna drown. Stop!
Had some pizza for dinner, and then we woke up the next day to this nice weather. And of course, like I said before, my little brother could not get enough of swimming, neither could my siblings, so we went back out there. I will say my family had such a sweet tooth that we ordered some donuts for breakfast. After eating our donuts, we decided to go out for a bit and explore. And so we got dressed up. Here's my parents and my two young siblings at the time, taking some photos in front of the hotel, and then also taking some photos in the city with the buildings in the background. We entered this mall that has a ceiling that kind of resembled clouds, as if we were outside even though it was dark. So we went, explored, looked around. It was really pretty on the inside. We took the sky bridge. It was kind of crazy how packed and busy it was, and then also how pretty the lights were outside at this hour. After being out and about all day, we eventually had some dinner and called it a trip.